To begin with my work in progress video, I want to introduce a related work in the field of AR and interactive narrative by Mark Omatic, an artist, animator, and technologist from Melbourne. Junk Age, Remember the Yesterbeast is an AR storytelling experience about a fictional world which depicts a future reality of the world that is covered in endless seas of junk. Inspired by the movement of storytelling called Future Folk Tales, the story is not about the past, but envisions a potential future based on modern society's problems. As technology advances, storytelling also evolves, and AR seems to be the most fitting medium to share this fictional story. Another aspect of this project that draws the attention from immersive media lovers is the unique texturing technique that fuses hand-drawn sketching illustration with 3D representations, transforming mesmerizing detailed sketches and drawings into texture maps and apply them into 3D models. This analog aesthetics helps to create a more natural connection between the physical and digital space. The artist is an industry role model for me as a practitioner entering the AR and VR space. I have learned from Mark Omatic's a lesson about aesthetic expression, that it is necessary to reflect on your favorite technique and medium and establish your own artistic style, then use technology to enhance the aesthetics foundation that you have already set for yourself. The range of tools and medium he has worked with is also resemblant to the multidisciplinary nature of my practice that includes modeling, animation, sound, and interaction design. It is inspiring to be able to see such an extraordinary work that brings the fictional narrative to life in the AR landscape and translates society's issues into impactful, immersive media artwork. The production process began with rewriting the Moon Tale in English version. I separate the story into 4 different parts. Each part will be told by the 3D Moon Man after the player collects an object as a form of reward. I also asked my friend Lucian to record the storytelling and act out the narrative using dramatic face gestures and voice acting. In the future, I might ask another Vietnamese friend to record a version of storytelling to show the respect to my native language in the original format of the story. The new user flowchart has become more concise with the added last step after the storytelling has completed. The storyteller will send out the prompt for the user to decorate the virtual moon tree with all of the lantern props that they have collected throughout the gameplay, giving a player a sense of personalization and participation. All of the 3D models and animation has been completed at this stage. The models include the animated creatures, which are butterfly, rabbits, and fish, and the lantern version of themselves. The butterfly model was textured using substance and the same method as explained in the last work in progress video, and animated using wind simulation in Cinema 4D to achieve a more dreamy, poetic effect. The 4 lantern models follow the project's initial color palette, include fish lantern, butterfly lantern, rabbit lantern, and star lantern. The research investigation and abstract has also been finalized. At this current state of literature review, it has been revealed that there are mainly 2 focus groups of study: AR works that digitize and represent intangible cultural heritage, and AR works that use more creative approaches to foster interaction and engagement in the mostly tangible sphere of cultural heritage. My research and prototypes will not only connect these 2 increasingly popular interests and fill in the gap of the intangible cultural heritage experience accomplished through AR for meaningful interactions, but will also investigate new issues related to the development of digital technologies, culture, and humanities. To fulfill this aim of this study, the research investigates the following main research question. How will festivals and intangible cultural heritage evolve with 3D augmented reality technology? To answer the main research question, the following 3 sub-questions have been formulated. How can gameplay and interactive storytelling in augmented reality applications enrich intangible cultural heritage exploration? What are the existing practices that are trying to preserve intangible cultural heritage? and how can augmented reality encourage intangible cultural practices and ritual preservation. The next stage of my project will be the finalization of the prototype that includes all of the UI elements and app design, with sound effects and all post-processing enhancements. Thank you for watching this work in progress video.